Good morning guys! Happy Saturday everyone! It's currently 1 o'clock ng hapon and nandito tayo ngayon sa sasakyan. The kids are asleep. Ate Paris, ayan oh, ngangabes. And baby Celine is also ngangabes. So today we decided na pumunta dito sa Puppy Palace. Remember last time nag-vlog kami, nagtingin-tingin kami ng mga puppies for Ate Paris' birthday. So, yung birthday ng ating ate is fast approaching. It will be in 2 weeks time. So, oh, hello baby girl. We just got. You sure did.
Where's Daddy?
Daddy just went out for a bit. Can we say hi here?
Hi.
Hi, tell them how many sleeps till your birthday.
14.
14. So Paris has been like counting down, guys. Now it's 14 sleeps till her birthday, and she's getting so excited. We're organizing stuff and all. We're going to have like birthday and like celebrations park with her friends.
Do you know why I'm having it at the park? Because like my car's gonna come before my birthday or on my birthday or after my birthday, and I'm not very sure, so I did at the park just in case. Like I get my dog before on my birthday.
You look so beautiful, sweetie. What do you say?
Thank you.
Thank you. Tingnan nyo ang aking kuko, guys. Oh, ang sakit-sakit, guys.
She broke her nail last night from the knife. How did it happen?
I don't know. I forgot how it happened.
I think.
Anyways, kami lang naiwan dito kasi si Danny Mike lumabas para daw makausap niya yung...
Why is sleeping like that?
Makausap niya yung mga tao doon sa loob ng Puppy Palace. So after here, maybe we can still get... We'll have time to get like invitation, honey. Somewhere. Some shop. There will be a shop here somewhere. Because we have to send the invitation this Monday. Yeah, we have to. Kasi gagawin namin yung birthday celebration ni Ate Paris in 9th of March, which is Saturday. Kasi yung birthday niya ay Monday. So, gagawin namin ng Saturday. So, alam niyo naman, sobrang busy dito sa Australia, guys. Lahat ng tao, may mga trabaho, and then they have like, you know, they only have the weekend for the family. So, may mga bookings na rin sila. So, we'll see. Yeah, we'll try to do it like by Monday, ma-distribute na ni Ate Paris yung kanyang
Guys, do you know the crazy thing? That's called my birthday on Monday, and then we're gonna have the party on Saturday or Sunday.
That's not crazy. So, outfit check tayo, guys. Ito ang aking top today, and then skirt ako ng purple, and my bag. Is this?
What's your bed for this?
It's too dark, honey. You can see it. Like,
I'll take my shoes off.
That's... Alam niyo ba, sobrang iyak ni Baby Celine kasi gusto niya yung skirt ni Ate Paris. Sabi niya, I want like Ate. I want like Ate. Naawa akong gisingin, oy. Waga, look. Tingnan niyo.
Do you know the crazy thing that she... I used to do that when we were driving to Gold Coast.
Who's calling?
Daddy. Mommy,
answer.
Hi, Daddy.
Hello. So you want to come and look at your puppies? They're so cute.
Yeah?
Alright. Tell Mommy come in.
Celine is still asleep, Daddy.
Celine's still asleep.
I'll go get Paris. I'll come and get Paris, Bob. They're so cute.
Yeah, good idea. I'm feeling very excited.
And
Can we go with Daddy then? Yeah, come here and get Paris.
Mommy, they're very cute.
Okay, Bobby, so that enough.
And then maybe Mommy can come when Lily's awake. Like maybe Mommy can come in.
Of course, Mommy's coming in. She has to choose it as well.
Okay.
Okay, go. Okay, Daddy will come now. See you.
See you. He didn't even say anything. Okay, I can see him right there. He's walking. I can see him.
Okay, hey, go out this way. Go out this way, lang. Wash your shoes. Up. Go. Get this way so you won't disturb Celine. I hope Daddy won't open it. Ay! Daddy, go on the other side. Go that side. Go that side. It's okay. She's on the other side.
The thing is, why am I stepping on the car?
They're so much. They're even cuter in person.
No. Daddy Mike yata ang excited. I'll just Bob. Celine has to sleep.
Come in?
Yeah, I will.
Don't take long. No, 10 more minutes?
Yeah.
Like 5 minutes.
Bob, seriously.
Alam niyo pa si Daddy Mike din yung mas nai-excite eh. Ayan oh. Tulog muna tayo anak. Hayaan muna natin sila.
A few moments later.
Where's Lily going? Huh?
Where?
We had to wake her up. Daddy Mike woke her up.
Where's Lily going?
Yeah, I hate the Oh, wow. Is that the boy?
Yeah, he is the boy.
You like Lily? You like his face, Mom? Come have a look at his face.
Look at that. Hang on, baby. Do you wanna? I know you can. Puppy?
Sanitize.
Puppy? Do you wanna go down?
Wanna touch it?
Do you wanna go down? Oh. Do you want to touch puppy? She just woke up. She's not in the mood.
Like my hand.
You like this one?
Can you have a look at the girl?
Yeah. The girl. Can you get the girl?
You wanna look at the girl?
With the which one, Bob? Can you point out this?
Yeah, I remember it.
The darkest brown one.
This one.
Do you want to feel them?
Can you hold this one for me first? I just want to have a look at it myself.
If you do this, if I look his mouth, he'll lick you.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Which one you like, Queenie? That one? The white one?
Yeah.
The
The thing
the
is
white one.
that this one's more like this one's not. This is not that expensive. It's just $1,000, and that one is like
That's cheaper lang. That's cheaper than that one.
But
Are you happy with it?
yeah, I like this one though.
Okay. Come, let's go. Let's go to Daddy. Good girl, Baba. Call her. Call her. Come on. Ate. Come. Come on, Lily's gonna take your photo. Move here.
I want to show that.
I'll tell you later on.
Hi. Daddy is busy, anak. Daddy is busy. Come here. They're doing the paperwork now.
So do you want to take his phone?
We want Adi. Adi, come here, ba here. Come on. Come on, we'll show that to Daddy after. Okay, go. Tingnan niyo, gusto picture ng kanyang ate, oh.
Okay, that's good. Now we have gone out.
Did you take photo? No, it's video. Photo. Wow. You taking photo, Mama? Very happy, guys. Tingnan niyo. Walang mapaglagyan ng kanyang happiness.
What is life look like in that situation in a way that it's going to be
Jellyfish.
accepted and felt as well. It's really very, very, very challenging and tricky.
Tingnan niyo si Lini, very busy taking photos. Tingnan niyo.
Hi guys, so we're inside Puppy's house now. They're very cute. I really want to show you. So guys, I'll show you when we get it. So my dad's just paying for it, but I'm not getting it too tight. Okay?
The one in the middle.
Yeah, I know.
Which one?
The one there with his head up, the highest.
You sure?
Yeah.
Yeah, it is.
Congratulations on your brother, Paris. Get a new brother. Lini, Lini, got a new brother.
That's mommy's one.
Congratulations. Yeah, I was thinking about that.
Baby one.
Yung girl ba kasi siya yung very
I got a baby.
Are you taking a photo? Yeah. Which one's ours?
I don't even know about.
Lily, you can't do that.
Lini, don't touch that one,
That
Papa.
one's ours, isn't it?
Yeah,
Like
yeah.
Paris. Is that Louis?
Louis.
What's your brother's name? Paris?
Louis.
Louis.
That's our puppy.
Louis.
Louis.
If we got a girl, it'll be Coco.
Yeah,
That's ours at the back.
but ours is a boy. So, what's his name?
Louis.
Louis.
He's how Louis.
That's ours. That's what I'm happy.
Are you happy?
I'm so
Lini, look at
Bob.
puppy.
happy crying.
I think they're here. Are you happy? Look, I think this is the right person to ask.
We're happiest. Puppy's coming soon.
Yay!
The puppy in the car.
So, finally got the puppy, guys. We'll talk here.
We're getting him on
Wednesday.
Wednesday. And we're getting him on Wednesday.
Yeah. So, finally, binili na
But we have controlled.
Dalimat, guys, but we don't have the puppy here yet kasi we're picking him up on Wednesday. Yeah.
So we'll come here probably early. I'll just take an early lunch. Pick him up. Pick up the puppy bed. Everything ready for our new son.
The son that we never had.
The son that I never made. Do you like him? So cute. You still want to get the dog?
I know. Hindi mind ba? Kasi ako wala talaga akong ano sa puppy, guys. Sila talaga yung very excited na.
Was he cuddling daddy?
Puppy. Yes.
Huh?
So yeah, what kind of puppy was that, daddy?
A poodle.
Poodle.
Cocker spaniel. Poodle.
Daddy.
Toy poodle. We'll get photos of him later. It's very cute. It's very cute. How cute is he? And a scale of 10.
Yeah, super cute.
What color is he?
No.
Brown?
He's the lightest one.
A Milo brown.
He's white and brown.
Daddy.
Huh?
He's brown and white.
He's 10 out of 10.
The one you like was the darkest one.
Yeah.
But your one had like like straight hair. It had curly hair body and straight hair ears. I like the one with all curls.
Nanalo sila, guys, kasi yung sa akin girl, yung kulay yung nagustuhan ko. Sila gusto nila yung boy. Diyan na lang inano ni Daddy Mike kay wala man siyang anak na lalaki.
Alright, let's get some lunch and we'll go get to Ikea.
Okay, lunchtime. Where's your... Here he is. Congratulations, Paris. Happy birthday. Such a lucky girl.
Best day ever.
Paris cutting him.
Yes. Go in, Lini. This way.
Guys, all the time what he did when I put my finger
Just so you know,
near his mouth, he licks me.
He has to be inside for another 5 weeks.
Yeah.
What's 5 weeks?
Why is that?
How am I
Still little?
He has to get his vaccinations. He's had one vaccination already. He's got to have one on the 25th, so a few days after we pick him up. And then he's got to have one 4 weeks later, and then he can go out.
Did Daddy cry?
His birthday is on the 30th of November.
50.
30th.
Is it?
30th of
We have
November.
the same birth month.
There's a-
Alright, let's go, 'cause it's hot. Guess where we are, guys. So So after our lunch sa Vietnamese restaurant, dito kami ngayon sa Ikea. Hello, Daddy! So, this is the first time na bibisitahin ko yung Ikea, guys, dito sa Brisbane. So, we'll see. It looks like it's massive, as all Ikeas are. Good girl, palingling! Kasi kanina, nakita mo, Daddy Mike, na measure ng basta cushion. So we'll see. Pabili tayo dito. Lini. Ay, dito kami sa food court ng Ikea. Bago ka lang kami kumain eh. Gusto kong kumain eh. Ate, come back here, otherwise you will be able to get the food. I don't know where Daddy Mike is. Where's Daddy?
I'm a cooler.
So we have water and this gooey cake and this
Spring? No?
yeah
Something? This is
gooey
going in
cake.
my cake.
Interesting.
Right there.
Anak. Oh, wait for Daddy and Ate first. Cute talaga ng Ikea eh. No? Inyo? Baba! Yeah.
Okay.
How cute is this, Daddy?
Yeah.
Very cute, yeah? Super nice. Is that your couch, Lingling?
Louie.
Louie.
Doggies, yeah?
This doggy.
Is that doggy?
No. That's here.
Yan na yan yung ano,
No.
cushion cover. Hindi ko man bet. Ayoko ng ganito. Yeah, ito talaga yung size na hinahanap ko, guys. 50 by 50. Daddy, perfect size? 50 by 50, remember? But I don't like it.
That's it there.
Yeah, I know.
That one over there is good.
Nah. I want like neutral color. Maybe here. Come on. Put your shoes on.
No.
We're going now.
Please.
What, please? We gotta go. So I love this kitchen, guys. Look.
You like this? Blacks?
No. It looks like you know when you're in the kitchen.
One more chocolate.
No more chocolate.
One more.
Where is Lily? Where is Lily?
Go away, mommy.
You like it, Lee?
I like that. I like that.
It would be nice to have like a walk-in pantry like this, guys. No. Napaka-cute. Ma-organize mo talaga yung mga gamit kasi may space. So cool. I am manifesting, guys. I want something like this. Look! Look at this! Look at this shoes! See, Daddy? There's your side. And my side. My side. Daddy's side. I'm wondering how much it is. It'll be really expensive. No. Sobrang ganda niya, guys. It's like a walk-in closet. So, like that. See your bags and everything. Ay, alam na. I love this bit, Daddy, oh. In the middle. Now you can put your... Yes. This literally makes me happy. Kung merong ganito sa gitna, this is what like I really want, guys. If ever. Sana magkaroon tayo ng maraming pera. And then, ito yung papuntang kwarto. Ah, it's very nice. It's a bedroom, and then diretso ka sa walk-in closet mo. Ah, my God. Obsessed with it.
That's where your mom and dad are.
You like the house one? It's for baby. Cute, ah?
I'm gonna take my shoes.
Go on, girls, pretend you're babies.
Yeah? Nah, don't play with this, lah.
I want to fly.
Feel bad, so I went to go say sorry for it. I ran outside and I looked everywhere for him. I checked the patio.
Here is Louis, guys.
And his body had completely
Ayan siya, oh.
Now, in the joy of becoming thin, the man
Awesome.
ran to the mall and bought
Ayan niya. Oh, Spuro. Boy.
Is this comfortable? My daughter uses these lifts to get into the bathroom.
Careful.
And bed. My boyfriend
The grumpy one we sold.
put the harness on the chair. Then
The grumpy one we sold.
he used the remote to lift
Let's go.
himself up.
I don't know where it is now.
Yeah, press the magnifying glass. Double.